When we have two different cases to consider, we can use the if and else statements. If we have more than two cases, we can insert one or more if statements in between the if and else statements. For example, suppose that we want to store a different greeting message depending on the time of day. The message is good morning in the morning, good afternoon in the afternoon, and good night at night. Here's an example. The variable time contains the hour of the day, and the message is stored in variable greeting. The elif statement syntax is elif test, where test is the test expression. The elif statement syntax is the same as the if statement syntax, except the initial keyword. Here are some rules that we should remember regarding elif statements. An elif statement and body must follow an if statement and 0 or more other elif statements. The elif statement may be followed by 0 or more elif statements and an else statement. If any of the previous if and elif statement tests are true, then Python will skip the current elif statement and body. If all previous tests are false, then Python will evaluate the current elif test. If test is true, then Python executes the elif body, and all elif and else statements that follow the current elif statement are skipped. Therefore, in a series of if, one or more elif, and else statements on the same tab, only one body will be executed. Let's take a look at an example. As usual, Python starts in line 1, tab 0. The if test is false, so Python skips the if body and evaluates the elif test on line 3. The elif test is true, so Python executes the elif body on line 4, tab 1. The else body will be skipped because one of the previous tests was true. Next, let's see how the LWPython state changes as it executes the elif statement.